Hello and welcome to your next car and the walk around video for the 435D M Sport Gran Coupe in Estoril Blue. So alongside that fantastic exterior colour, we've also of course added a full Your Next Car and Performance body styling kit to the vehicle, and included in that is a set of brand new 666 competition style alloy wheels that are finished in the gloss black, and situated just behind those alloys you will see the fantastic M Sport Plus brakes. And on this 435D, that does mean we've got the full BMW M Sport Plus pack. The vehicle itself is a 2017 17 plate. You will see there the Angel Light and Xenon headlamps. Down the side of the car, as well as being superbly presented, you'll see the BMW gloss black air breathers, gloss black sidebars, satin side vinyls, and the YNC Mperformance decals. Again, thanks to that M Sport Plus pack, you will see the sun protection glazing on the rear windows. And you'll also see there that the Estoril Blue works extremely nicely with all of the additions we've made here at Your Next Car. Moving through to show you the interior, where we've got a black Dakota leather, which in the front comes with both the electric movement, memory, and the heated seats as well. Again, you can see there that all of that is in great condition. 435Ds come with the 8-speed sports automatic gearbox. We've also got that superb intelligent X-Drive 4-wheel drive system, keeping all of that power and torque planted onto the road. Moving it towards the rear, where as you can see there, it's a 3-seat Isofix rear bench, a central folding armrest, and you do of course get a lovely darkened M Sport headlining. Again, showing you off these alloys. However, it has to be said, if you prefer a different set of our 20-inch alloys, or even if you would prefer to go down to the BMW 19-inch alloys, it's not a problem. Simply when you give us a call on this vehicle, or any of our others for that matter, we will of course be able to talk you through some of our wheel options. Round the rear, we've got a carbon fibre style rear boot spoiler and gloss black rear diffuser. Boot space for the Gran Coupes is huge. You also of course get a automatic opening and closing tailgate, split folding seats alongside removable top and bottom partial shelves. Closing that down and heading round to the driver's side again, to show you the Estoril Blue is a really nice colour, especially when paired with all of the additions we've made. And as you can see down there, the sun is coming through nicely to be able to show you that, again, a very clean and tidy example, especially when it is sat on a set of alloys as nice as these ones. Moving on now, I'm going to head through and take a seat inside the car, and we'll go through a bit more of the interior details in a bit more depth. So now we're sat comfortably inside the car. You can see there we've got the professional wide navigation and media screen, and we will of course run you through what is entailed in that shortly. Dual climate control, and where you'll find these switches for the heated seats. We've got a fantastic navigation system, as you can see there. Uses real-time traffic updates to keep you on the fastest route possible. We've got Bluetooth, telephone and audio. Alongside that, we've got a wide array of multimedia inputs, including DAB, music collection, AUX and USB inputs. Alongside, we've already spoken about the Bluetooth input as well. Heading back to the main menu, in just a couple of seconds I'll show you the service requirements and service history for this 435D. It's covered just over 44,000 miles. I've already mentioned the 8-speed sports automatic gearbox, and it also comes with cruise control, speed limiter, voice and volume controls, again all in the aid to make your experience as comfortable and as convenient as possible. Heading through to the vehicle service status now, and you'll be able to see there that everything is highlighted in green, and the next service is not due for 6,000 miles time, and it has got full BMW service history, and the last visit to BMW was at 43709, and that was for a brake fluid service. The time before that, however, was for a full service including all filters, which is great news, because when that next service is due is in 6,000 miles time, it's going to be for a very basic oil and oil filter change. Once again, thanks for taking the time to watch the walk around video. I'm hoping you've enjoyed it and found it useful. And of course, if you do want to get in touch about this car or any of our other vehicles, you'll always find all of the contact information in the description down below, along with a link to our website. We'll look forward to seeing yourselves very, very soon. Do of course take care. Thank you. Bye-bye.